Hello, we are MASH, and my name is Megan DeBello, and our other presenters are Adia Davis, Heidi Cadena, and Maya Salazar. Today we'll be presenting Mosswall. Today we'll be discussing the problem we're addressing, our idea, steam involvement, and sustainability of Mosswall. Starting off, what is our problem? Reading this quote verbatim, over 4 million deaths were attributed to air pollution exposure during 2012. Pollutants of major public health concern include particulate matter, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. Outdoor and indoor air pollution cause respiratory and other diseases and are important sources of morbidity and mortality. This was by the World Health Organization in 2012. Although this report was done over 10 years ago, air pollution and airborne dust are one of the many causes to over 4 million deaths. These include carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. Because of these pollutants, we see increased chances in developing a respiratory disease. Irritation in eyes and upper airways are harmful to those with already pre-existing respiratory diseases, and those who have prolonged exposure to these pollutants can increase chances to developing a respiratory disease. Done by our world in data, we can see that air pollution, indoor and outdoor particulate matter, and indoor air pollution are some of the main disease burdened by risk factor in 2019.
Hi, my name is Adia Davis, and today I will be talking about the idea and how we can solve the problem. Moss wall. Moss wall can be placed indoors and outdoors. For the construction, first there is the framing, which is used to create the design. Secondly, we put the metal mesh to stop the moss from corroding the wall material, since moss corrodes brick and wood. And then finally, we put the moss, and because of the lack of roots, it makes it very easy for the moss to adhere and grow on top of the mesh. So whatever design is created with the framing, the moss will grow as that. For a fun fact, current interior design trends calls for an excessive amount of plants in homes, as you can see to the left. While plants attract bugs, moss actually acts as a natural bug repellent, so the trends can still be followed without the problem of pests in your home. Why moss? Moss removes air pollutants, it reduces urban temperatures, it has thermal benefits to buildings as it acts as an insulator, it improves biodiversity, it attenuates rainwater, and it reduces noise. Some studies of this is the evaluation of air quality in Albania by moss biomonitoring and metal atmospheric deposition, which was done in 2019, as well as air quality for metals and sulfur in Shanghai, China, determined with moss bags, which was done in 2009. SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For our strengths, moss has many beneficial effects, as it was said in the last slide. It reduces noise pollution as well as improves air quality. For weaknesses, moss can erode rock and wood, which is what wall material is generally made of, but we combat this by putting metal mesh in between the wall and the moss. For opportunities, moss reduces pollutants, and for threats, moss can be harmful towards other plants, and some types are considered invasive.
Hi, my name is Heidi Cadena, and I will be talking about the steam involvement and how we incorporated steam in our process and during our research. We can incorporate steam in our project by using agricultural biotechnology in order for us to culture the moss and to see how it survives for long periods of time on the wall. We use engineering on the moss to see how a metal mesh would be best over the wall, and mathematics to measure the time and the amount of water it needs for moss to thrive in the environment, and conduct several experiments on multiple types of walls.
Hello, my name is Maya Salazar, and I'll be discussing why moss wall is sustainable. Moss is a natural resource, which means that once moss dies, it'll be able to decompose. Moss also helps with reducing air pollution and airborne dust. Since it can soak up water due to its lack of roots, it's best in high-risk flood areas such as Houston. It also improves biodiversity, and it can flourish in high-traffic areas such as schools and cities, which are some places that we would like to implement it in. Thank you so much for giving us your undivided attention. Have a great rest of your day.